Good morning, everyone. Adam here. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Definitely time to get back to work in the markets. Last week we did see our price correction when we broke below that 20-day moving average, fell down to the support that we've been harping on. After that we did get a buy up here. Market pushed higher 3 days in the green, back over that 20-day moving average, back into that 1370 resistance zone. Market is getting a bit extended here. And we push back into that 1370 resistance area, so I would definitely like to see a flattening out or consolidation point here before making our move higher. A lot of people are still talking about this low volume. Remember that it is spring break this week. A lot of traders taking off to spend time with their kids, go on vacation with their family, etc. So I would attribute to that to the low volume, and I would also look for this week to have a lot of low volume going into it, just because a lot of people are taking vacations today. Taking a look at some of our trades, TAS, look for it to take out 268 level. This is a recent IPO stock. The next level on watch would be those IPO highs. A lot of volume coming in, working in off that oversold condition. RNF, pretty much the same thing. Look for it to take out that 26 level. Volume coming in, working off that oversold conditions, recent IPO. A lot of people are holding this stock, so definitely could run. It's already taking out that 20-day moving average. Look for a continuation move today. CGI, pretty much just a 52-week high break over this area right here. Nice and strong yesterday, or Friday I should say. Like to see a little bit more volume coming in, but it is working off those oversold conditions, which is always a good thing to see. TRX, just looking for that to take out that 200-day moving average. Nice hit there, and then it bounced back to that 20-day and then come back up. Pretty easy buy-in on that one, pretty much just right over the highs. OKSB, another 52-week high breaker with a strong day on Friday with some volume coming in. GSM, nice little flag pattern here. It's a little bit of a low volume stock, so you can get caught here a little bit. Be careful on that, but we are seeing a nice pickup in the volume, a nice volume expansion. Coming out of that oversold conditions, off this bounce off that 50-day in the lower trend line. Definitely look for a continuation move over those highs and out of this triangle. SREV, coming here on this downtrend. It's kind of a messy stock with all these moving averages coming in together, but it will act as good support if it does break out. Look for it to take out the highs. We are seeing some volume coming in, and again, we're working off those oversold conditions. I feel like a broken record this morning, but hey, whatever, that's okay. Sometimes it's like that. BEBE, looking for a 52-week high, maybe a little range break here before it takes out these levels at the 938 level. PNC, this one's actually looking on a short. It held this 50-day moving average for a while. Tapped it a couple times. Finally broke below its nice little bear flag. It's starting to pull back here. Low volume pullback into the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So you get some strong resistance above. You know, shorty here, stick your stop above the 50-day moving average, or wait till it starts breaking down intraday. Maybe look for this takeout of that 59.17 level. That actually looked to be pretty good. So if you want to be a little bit more conservative, wait before it takes out that level. Short it, look for your target to be at the bottom of the flag, at least your first target, at 56.86 level. MGAM, still watching this one. It tried to go on Thursday, but it was a failed breakout. It's still holding that 20-day moving average, and it still hasn't really gone anywhere, so I'm going to keep this one on watch. If it keeps testing that line, one of these days it will break, just because it's going to suck up the supply in that area. SJT, I don't know why I keep putting this one on my watch list, but it still keeps coming up, so go and watch that 19 level. Looks like it wants to break this range. Volume is really falling off, but that's okay in a consolidation zone. We could see a run of that 50-day moving average. I'm not really too hopeful on that one. FSL, another short watch, held that 50-day moving average, came over, broke through it, and now it's a low volume pullback. This one's a real low volume pullback, coming out of the oversold condition, so it's ready to go back down. Short it now, put your stop above the 50-day moving average, above this high of the day, or just wait for a break of some kind of intraday level. There's no real clean level on this one, so you can pretty much just pick and choose. Maybe take the lows of Thursday, maybe the lows of Friday. ARIA, keep this one on watch pretty much all the time, it seems. Looking for that break of the downtrend. It's been testing it again, tested it Thursday, tested it Friday, still nothing. One of these days it's going to go. These downtrend breaks can be very powerful. Still got support on that 50-day moving average. So if it breaks below that, this play's pretty much dead, but keep that on watch. PLUG, just looking for this one as a pullback. We got some nice intraday resistance here at 179, so by that 180 level. I don't believe we are out of the Bollinger Bands. Oh yeah, we are squeezing out of the Bollinger Bands now. So definitely look for a snapback play, especially if we maybe open up lower and then go red to green. We could definitely see a nice bounce back. That's all I got for you today. Again, watch that SPX. We are getting overextended here on the daily chart with 3 up days. They've pretty much been straight up with some selling off on Friday. Still a green day. We worked into that 1370 again. I'm still not looking to go heavy short here. I do got a couple shorts on the watch just because we might need a pullback or a nice consolidation. Maybe a workout through time, maybe not just price. So definitely keep that on watch. I won't go short until we break this 1340 level and then test that 50-day moving average. Besides that, I'm just going to go long. I'm going to keep my positions a shorter time frame and maybe a little bit less risk as we're sitting here in that 1370 level. Good luck, everyone. Have a great day.